Last week, Vivo India has officially confirmed that it will be launching the Vivo S1 Pro smartphone in India on January 4th. Over the weekend, Vivo India tweeted new teasers on the Vivo S1 Pro. The new tweets have revealed the front and rear sides of the smartphone. Also, they have confirmed the color variants of the device. The recent tweets on Vivo S1 Pro are mainly focused on its camera capabilities. The phone is equipped with a 32-megapixel camera that is housed inside the water-drop notch on the display. The back panel of the Vivo S1 Pro has 48-megapixel AI quad camera setup arranged in a diamond-shaped pattern. As it can be seen, the smartphone will be available in India in 3 color variants such as crystal blue, dreamy white and night black. Rumors have it that 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage edition of the Vivo S1 Pro will be priced at Rs 19,990. It is also expected to arrive in a 6GB RAM model. However, there is no information on its pricing. The smartphone will be available for purchase through Amazon India. Vivo S1 Pro specifications. The Vivo S1 Pro has an AMOLED display of 6.38 inches and it carries support for full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The S1 Pro offers an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. The display is equipped with in-screen fingerprint scanner. The smartphone is fueled by Snapdragon 665 mobile platform that includes 2.0 GHz octa-core processor. The Fun Touch OS 9.2 based Android 9 Pie OS runs on the smartphone. The handset comes with a shared SIM slot for more storage. The S1 Pro draws power from a 4500 mAh battery. The phone supports 18-watt fast charging through USB-C. For capturing selfies, it has an f/2.0 aperture, 32-megapixel front camera with AI face beauty feature. The LED flash-assisted 4-camera system positioned on the back side of the device has Samsung GM1 48-megapixel lens as the primary lens. It is assisted by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 2-megapixel dedicated macro camera and a 2-megapixel depth assist lens. The usual connectivity features like dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth, GPS and a 3.5mm audio jack are also available on the smartphone.